Hello and welcome dear students. Today's video's topic is subject-verb agreement or subject-verb concord. Children, it is very important topic as far as English language is concerned, and moreover you are getting a question in your paper also. Dear children, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe, like and share with your friends also. Do comment if you like my video. Let us first of all see the structure of a sentence, children. It is subject, verb and object. Ankit writes a story. Ankit is the subject, writes is the verb, a story is the object. If it is plural, they write letters. So children, we can say that verb must agree with the subject. Children, we know a basic rule. Singular subject, the singular verb, and plural subject, then plural verb. But it is not the same every time. Let us know, children, how to do it. Let us first of all talk about the pronouns. First person, that is I, we, me, mine, us, etc. Second person, you, yours. Third person, he, she, it, they, them, etc. With first person singular or plural, we always use plural verbs. Let us see the examples now. I like to read books. I, singular. Like, plural verb. Then I have done my work. We play, plural, and then plural verb. We play football. We have learnt our lessons. With you, that is second person, we always use plural verb. You are my good friend. Where are you planning to go today? You have finished your project. With third person singular verb, he writes a good story. She wants my book. With third person plural verb. They are eating their lunch. The boys want to paint a scenery. Now we come to the next one, children. Two subjects suggesting one idea or referring to the same thing or person. Then we use singular verb. A black and white cow. We are talking about one cow only, children. Though it's black and white, but one cow. A black and white cow is moving out in the garden. Rajma and rice, one dish. Rajma and rice is my favorite dish. Time and tide waits for none. This is a famous phrase. We all know that, children. When two subjects are joined by using as well as, along with or with, we will use the verb that agrees with the first subject. See the examples, children. The boys. Boys is the first subject. The boys as well as Raman. First subject is plural. We will use plural verb. The boys as well as Raman are not responding. Karthik, singular subject. Karthik along with his friends is going to school. The aircraft with its crew members was on the runway. With each and every, we use singular verb. Each of the girls tells the same story. Children, we will not see the girls. We will see each of the girls. Means we are talking about individual person. Each girl. Every man was awarded in today's ceremony. Every man and every woman. Then again, children, singular verb. Every man and every woman was given a job. When two subjects are used with every, then we use singular verb. Next sentence, everybody is talking about Mehul, who got a prize. Everybody is talking. Is. Everybody is. See, every, then is. Children, in sentences that begin with here and there, we use verb as per the main subject. See the examples now. Here are your books. Here are your books. What is the main subject here? Books, children. Though we will use verb as per this subject. Second example, there was a king. King is the main subject here. A king who ruled for many years. Here is the scholar. Scholar, one person, singular. So verb will be singular. Here is the scholar who inspired people. Children, with either or neither nor, the verb will be as per the nearer subject. Neither Rahul nor Rishi is. Is the verb. It agrees with Rishi. Rishi is singular, so singular verb. Next sentence, either my friend or those boys are cleaning this table. Boys is the plural, so verb will be plural. Boys are. When two subjects are joined using and, then the verb will be plural. Sheena and Vidushi are reading books. Aditi and Nirmala like to eat apples. Children, with distance, money and period of time, we use singular verb. Now, see the examples. 10,000 rupees. Rupees is plural. 10,000 rupees. But we will use singular verb. 10,000 rupees is not a big amount. We are seeing amount. This amount is not big for me. Next is 5 kilometers is a long distance. Distance is. Okay? We will not see the kilometers. Distance. 5 kilometers is a long distance for me to walk. For employees, 60 years is the retirement age. Age is. Okay? 60 years is the retirement age. When the subject is singular and it is followed by a plural noun, then the verb used will be singular. See the examples. One of the girls is performing on the stage. One of the boys is talking so loudly. Next is plural nouns with singular meaning. Then the verb will be singular. The news is true. News. It looks like as if this is a plural, but singular verb is. I like economics. It is very interesting subject. It is. Economics is very interesting subject. Children, with a lot of, some of or all of, we use verb as per the noun after of. See the examples. All of the boys. What is the noun after of? The boys. The verb will be as per this noun. All of the boys are gone. Some of the milk. Milk. Okay, uncountable noun. Milk is wasted. Some of the vegetables, plural, were cut by me. A lot of people are gathering in the park. People are. After all, it's people. A lot of water. Water, again, noun is. Water is put in the basin. Now we talk about sentences with subordinate clauses. Here, children, the verb will be used as per the subject. If it is singular, then singular verb. If it is plural, then plural verb. Now read the examples. The stranger whom I met was nice. Stranger and was. Singular, singular. The boys who are in the class are making noise. Boys and are. Plural subject and plural verb. Now we see the sentences where we use many and most. Many a student. Student is singular. So the verb will also be singular. Most of my friends. Here friends is plural. So the verb will also be plural. Read the examples. Many a student tries to win the game. Most of my friends are teachers. We will not see many or most. We will see the subject used. Children, nouns that appear to be plural when used with a pair of. We use singular verbs. See the examples. A pair of scissors is kept on the table. A pair of shoes is bought by my father. Next, children, see with names of a country, book or state. Those are plural nouns, but we use singular verbs. See the examples. The United States is a prosperous country. The Netherlands is too far from India. Angels and Demons is a very interesting novel. Children, with nobody, anybody, no one, each and somebody, we use singular verb. No one is accepting his mistake. Somebody has to do it. Don't just see some. There is somebody, means one person. Somebody has to do it. Each boy has to make his project. Next, children, we see collective nouns. With collective nouns, singular verbs. A group of boys. Children, we will see group. We will not see the boys. A group of boys was jumping on the decks. The mob was uncontrollable. The school cricket team was appreciated by everyone for winning the match. The jury has taken a good decision. But children, with police, we use plural verb. The police have arrested the thief. To express a wish, children, were is used in place of was. See the examples. I wish my mother were here with me on the new year. I wish I were like my mother, who is a good cook. I hope children all your doubts regarding subject-verb agreement or subject-verb concord are clear. If you have any doubt, write to me in the comment box. I would be happy to answer that. Like my video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends also. Thanks for watching my video.